Tips to travel to Ladakh this season. I have been getting a lot of queries this season saying that how many set of gloves one should carry for their Ladakh trip. Before I answer that, make sure you follow Weekend on Wheels. Let's tell you, you need to carry two set of gloves. One is a leather glove, which can be a full gauntlet leather gloves, and another pair can be one of these, which you can buy in military shops. So if you're going via JNK, you can buy it in Ladakh, and if you're going via Manali, then you can buy it in Manali. These are semi-waterproof warm gloves that you definitely need to have, and they're pretty cheap. They come at as low as 200 rupees. So buy one of these, and definitely the full content leather gloves, and this should solve your problem. How many set of batteries you should carry along with your GoPro? Ideally, you should carry two set of batteries, and recommended would be enduro batteries, because these batteries do not perform great in high altitude and in extreme cold condition. Normal condition they work fantastic. When it's extreme cold, batteries will bulge out like this. While I was carrying this, it was all fine, and the minute it was extreme cold, just bulged out and the performance just reduced. So recommendation, carry bare minimum 2 batteries, and if you can have enduro batteries, nothing like it. And also carry a power bank, and if you run out of batteries, in this case, you can just plug your power bank and continue to record. You do not miss any of the action that you do at Ladakh. So what's the best way to carry your memory card? So the best thing to do is buy one of these cases, which are memory card cases, which you can easily get on Amazon for as low as 350 rupees. I'm going to put a link in the bottom if you want to buy it. And this way you can keep all your memory card absolutely safe and without any damage, because normally when you carry so many memory cards, you will end up having them damaged or lost. This is the best way to carry. You can carry close to I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus close to 16 or 12 memory cards on this. You can place them like this, and this is pretty safe. Then what are the basic tools that one needs to carry if you're traveling to Ladakh this season? My biggest recommendation is to have one of these, which is a multi-purpose tool. This has up till 12 different tools in one, and this can come really handy when you're traveling, and this does not take too much of a space at all. It just gets into this, as small as this. And then my second recommendation would be a tire pressure from MI. This is definitely a must. You should carry one of these no matter what. And also if you're using a tubeless tire, a tire puncture kit is a mandate. Please make sure these are the basic tools that you should be carrying for your Ladakh trip this season. How do I charge my multiple devices that I have while you're traveling? So I carry something like this, which is a power junction, which has only one pin goes into the power, and this has multiple USB outlets. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 USB connections, and this can help you so much in any travel, not just Ladakh travel, any of your travel. All you have to carry is this one thing, and all your devices are charged using one plug point. That could be a GoPro, Insta360, your mobile phones that you have, drone if you're carrying your drones, and then multiple batteries that you carry. So all of this can be charged in this. And if you want to buy one of these, check out the description. I'm going to put the link for this, and you can go check them out. Hope I've answered all your questions. If you have any other questions, comment below, and I'll be more than happy to answer.